What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a wide-body Lamborghini Aventador Liberty Walk. We're gonna do a full exterior walk around and show you guys this Lamborghini Aventador. That is a custom spec to here in Japan. As you guys can see, we got a whole Liberty Walk kit on this Aventador, and it is absolutely phenomenal. Check it out. I'll let you guys see it. It is such a beautiful car. Got custom wheels. It's got livery on it. It's got the whole nine. Let's do a full little walk around so you guys can see the whole car. What a beauty. I absolutely love the wide body fenders on this. I love the hood, the front end. Kind of reminds me of Stradman's pink Aventador. But wow, yeah, this thing is gorgeous. So take a look at the custom wheels that are on this thing. It's absolutely freaking sick. Look at the caliper, like the way it's painted. In the delivery, it says, "Imagine all the people living life in peace." It's amazing. Liberty Walk, baby. She got the OG Japan. So you got 255s. Yeah, he's got 255 30s ZR20s on this. These are the Michelin Super Sports, I'm guessing. Wow. Check out like the wide body pieces on this. Excuse the excessive wind noise. Check out like this whole front splitter. It's so freaking cool. I think it's on bags. I'm pretty sure it's on bags for it to be this low. He probably raises it up when he drives. Good old traditional Aventador headlights. So this is an LP700-4. It just has been upgraded with the Liberty Walk kit on it. What a beauty. Now let's go ahead and show you guys the wide body fenders. We'll also show you guys the back end of the car. Look how clean that is. Like the wide body kit on this thing is so freaking clean. So crazy. It still has the same mirrors. So if you guys are wondering, Liberty Walk kit, how much it costs, I don't know, but I can find out and tag it down in the description so you guys can kind of read up about Liberty Walk and Liberty Walk's custom kits that are available for like Lamborghinis and like other cars. This is so dope. Let's go to the back and check this thing out. Look at this this custom wing on this thing, bro. Bro, this thing is so clean. Man, I haven't been to a car show in a really long time, so I might be a little crusty at recording, but it's all good. I'll be back home real soon too, though. And I'll get more content with the Shelby. Bro, look at that engine frame, bro. Like it's like orange titanium. That's crazy. Bro, this thing's a beauty. So check out the rear diffuser on this thing. It's also got a exhaust tech Japan exhaust on it. So I guess it's like a custom Japanese spec exhaust system that's available on the Aventador for Japan. Wow, look at this, guys. Just look. Words can't even describe how crazy this looks. But let me know what you guys think. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments about the custom wide body Liberty Walk Aventador. So these are like initially all the stickers on it. It's got Liberty LBR, Liberty Performance, I guess Liberty Walk Racing. Look at the wheels on this thing. These are Forgiatos. These are Forgiatos on the Aventador. But these are like specific for like the Liberty Walk. These Forgiato wheels. I didn't know Forgiato made them, but wow, now I know. Forgiato is the one that helps cater to the Liberty Walk custom wheels. And And the Exhaust Tech Japan. You got your heat extractor right there. Yeah, this thing's like crazy, dude. And like the custom side skirt too, with the orange like lining on it. So dope. And then again, it says imagine all the people living life in peace. This thing's freaking sick.